Hello everyone, welcome back to the world. So if you have watched my this latest short video that you can see right now popping up on the screen, you already know what happened last week and why the price of crude oil got manipulated and got dumped towards the downside. The same reason is with S&P 500 also. As soon as the news comes out that there is a ceasefire between America, Israel and Iran, and because the whole world now, or I would say 99% were thinking that it will be a very nuclear war or some sort of very disastrous war for Iran, and whole civilization will end up like Trump tweeted, but nothing happened. I mean, oh, it's so obvious that nothing will happen for sure. And as soon as the news came out, we saw a huge bump in the price of S&P 500. And to be quite honest, it is now very easy to manipulate any of the asset, whether it is S&P 500, crude oil, gold, and silver, with just 2 to 3 tweets. And right now, as you can see, there is a gap over here because the price of S&P 500 opened a gap up on Wednesday. And the most important thing is that this gap did not happen on the starting of weekdays but happened on Wednesday, as you can see. So there is a gap over here, I hope you can see. So there are very high chances the price of S&P 500 will dump towards the downside in the next coming days to fill this gap. And to be quite honest, S&P 500 is way overbought right now, and still a huge dump has to come. All these financial instruments, whether it is major index of big countries, big economies, or it is gold and silver or crude oil, they are designed to pump forever. That's the reality, because governments will keep on printing money, inflation will keep on rising, and all of the money will end up in the stock markets and in these assets only. But the main thing is that the retailers end up buying liabilities while rich people end up buying assets. As you can see, the price of S&P 500 is just skyrocketing towards the upside parabolically, and we have seen a dump towards the downside. I mean, as you can see, pump and then a dump, pump and then a dump, pump and then a dump. But here's the main thing. I won't consider this as a dump or this as a dump. These are very small dumps in compared to the overpriced S&P 500 right now, and I am still expecting the price of S&P to at least dump all the way down till $5,500 level. That is the minimum I am expecting right now. But let's see. Nothing of this is any sort of financial advice. Do your own trading, take your own financial decisions. I'm just sharing my own analysis with you.